जय हिंद एवरीवन। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है कंस और चाणूर का वध करने वाले देवकी के आनंदवर्धन वसुदेव नंदन जगत गुरु श्री कृष्णचंद्र की मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Good morning everyone. Our today's topic is unseen passage. As the name itself tells you the meaning, unseen, which is not seen before. Alright, which is out of your book or else out of your syllabus, that is not in your book. This lines is totally out of syllabus. So first and the foremost thing you need to do is to read out the whole paragraph or else read out each and every lines. Before starting or attempting the questions, first you need to read these lines. So first is read the lines. Frogs. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. There I saw a pond full of frogs. They were of green color. They were hopping and jumping. So I did the same. I have gone through these lines and now I will be attempting the questions. Alright. So again what I need to do is first I have to refer the questions and again I have to look in the paragraph. Where did Neha go with her parents? नेहा अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कहाँ गई थी? Again look in the paragraph. In order to practice the passages and to answer the questions, you need to again and again go through the paragraph or the lines which has been given to you. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. See, over here she is clearly telling the answer. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. So the same thing is asked here. Where did Neha go with her parents? Neha kahan gayi thi? So here we got her answer. Zoo. A. Alright. So do the same thing in each and every question. Read out the question first and again go and refer to the paragraph or the lines which has been given to you. Likewise, second question. What did Neha see there? नेहा ने वहाँ पे जाके क्या देखा? Again refer to the lines. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. There I saw a pond full of frogs. Now see here you got your answer again. Got a fish or frogs? Then again the correct answer is what? Frogs. Likewise, you can read the question out and again refer to the lines and practice it. You have to read out lines as much times as possible. The more time you read, the more clear idea you are going to get. Third question. What was the color of the frogs? Again go and refer to the paragraph. Read the paragraph first. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. There I saw a pond full of frogs. They were of green color. See, again you got your answer. Third question में क्या पूछा था आपको? What was the color of the frogs? And here you got your answer. That is green color. So is there any option you can see which is green? Yes, red, green and yellow. Option B, it's green and green is the correct answer. Likewise, what were the frogs doing? Frogs क्या कर रहे थे? Again refer to the paragraph. You can also apply the logic कि जहाँ से आपने stop किया है वहीं से read करना start कर दो. But that won't apply in each and every lines because maybe questions के pattern randomly रहे, है ना? maybe the questions have been asked to you in the random pattern. So आपको पूरा paragraph if I going to read, so that would be better. Again, I am going to read out the whole paragraph, each and every lines. My name is Neha. Last week I visited a zoo with my parents. There I saw a pond full of frogs. They were of green color. They were hopping and jumping. So यहाँ पे सेम चीज़ पूछी थी, है ना, कि frogs क्या कर रहे थे? What were the frogs doing? Sleeping, dancing or jumping? So we have a clear-cut idea as we have read. So answer will be jumping. Moving to the next topic is my house. Yes, here the lines is being given is regarding the topic my house, मेरा घर. Read the lines. Now what you have been asked to do is to read the lines first, and I am going to do the same thing. My family lives in a house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework in my bedroom. See, from here at least you can get an idea what this lines is talking about, है ना? What this lines is all about. And which of things is considered in this lines, है ना? कौन सी चीज़ें consider की गई है? At least you will be getting that idea. Now again, next thing you need to do is now you can go and refer the questions first. Take the correct option for each question. Alright, first blank is, see, it's not necessary that all the questions that's asked to you will be in the question answers form. That can be in the different forms. In the first passage we have seen ना, पहले passage में हमने देखा कि ये question answers के form में थे. But it's not necessary कि आपको हर एक question answers के form में ही पूछे गए हो, है ना? It can be either in a fill in the blank form, either in question answer form, either you would be asked an opposite also, antonyms, synonyms, कुछ भी पूछा जाएगा. Your past forms, कैसे भी compound words, yes, कोई भी opposites, कोई भी questions आपको पूछा जा सकता है. So you again and again have to go and refer to the passage, but one thing is for sure that you are going to get answers from the passage only. आपको इसके आंसर ऊपर के पैसेज में से ही मिलेगा. So that is for sure that you have to go and read out again and again. Yes, my family lives in dash, a house or an apartment. So read this lines. My family lives in a house. See here, you got your answer, a house. मेरी family एक घर में रहती है, a house. So the option A is the correct answer. Second, our house has 2 dash kitchens or bedrooms. मेरे घर में दो bedrooms और kitchens क्या है? Again go and refer. My family lives in a house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. See, you got your answer. What? 2 bedrooms. So again the correct answer is what? Option B, bedrooms. Third question. We cook and eat in the dash. आप खाना पकाते और खाते किधर हो बेटा? Obviously, if also we are not going to refer the paragraph, you have clear idea or else clear answers ना. हम cook या खाना कहाँ पे पकाते हैं? Obviously in the kitchen ना, not in the bedroom. So already you have your answer, kitchen. But if also you are not getting your answer, then go and refer to the passage again. Fourth, we watch TV in the dash, living room or bedroom. We watch TV in the dash, living room या तो bedroom. Again go and refer to the paragraph. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. ये लोग TV बेटा living room में देखते हैं. Yes, so the correct option or the answer is option A, that is living room. Fifth one, my favorite room is dash. उसका favorite room कौन सा था? Living room or bedroom? Again go We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom. So the correct answer is bedroom. Sixth and the last one. I like to dash and dash in my bedroom. Read books and do my homework or watch TV and eat snacks. I like to read books and do my homework in my bedroom. Yes, so the correct answer is option A, read books and do my homework. So likewise, you need to do these passages. How? First, read passages or the given lines as much as time possible. Alright beta, you have to read couple of times in order to give the correct answer. If not, read out first question, again go to the passage and read out, again answer that, and again read out second question, again go and refer to the passage. So that would be the correct pattern in the initial stage you follow. Yes, so likewise you have to practice the same. So you need to refer as of now, you need to do only these two passages, the rest we are going to do it later. So complete the same and have a nice day.